Oil change time. Heads up. That is your drain plug. Nothing else under this bike should be touched. Nothing. Don't touch that one. Don't touch any of these other bolts. That is your drain plug, you see? I don't know if you can see underneath this bike, but let's see if we can back it off a little bit. Okay. Hopefully you can see this. This is not your drain plug. This is a spring-loaded piece here, something to do with the oil. This is your drain plug. And I believe it's a 16 or 17 millimeter wrench or socket. But yeah, this is drain plug. This is not. Do not touch this. This is the exhaust side and foot brake side of the bike, and this is the shifter side of the bike, where your fuel and carburetor valve is. So this is throttle side, this is clutch side, and the drain plug is on the throttle side of the motor. Drain plug, not drain plug. Drain plug, not drain plug. And there you have it. Here's oil change. For the xpro 125 Storm, that's the only drain plug. That one right there. And for the big one, Templar 250. That's the only drain plug, right there under the bike. None of these other ones. These are for the rear stuff, but that's your drain plug for the xpro Templar 250. Kaboom.